Hello, Yeshua28K here, and I have with a tutorial on how to clean your Wii U. And what you want to do is look up Maxell VHS head cleaner on YouTube, and then whatever it is, you might have to. Then just watch the magic.
Welcome to Maxell.
And you just wait for it to clean itself.
This product is designed to clean your video and audio heads. In order to provide optimum VCR performance, please continue playing this tape for the complete duration of the cleaning cycle. The cleaning of your VCR is now in progress. Please continue to play this tape until final instructions have been given.
Make sure to have your gamepad handy so you can stop the tape.
Stereo audio test, left channel. Stereo audio test, center mix. Stereo audio test, right channel.
It sounds weird.
As your cleaning process nears completion, we invite you to take a brief look at some additional Maxell products. Maxell offers a complete line of audio and video products, computer products, batteries, and accessories. Maxell, a brand known
Now,
for
if your
innovation,
gamepad, you'll need
quality,
to stop
and
the
value.
tape. Or stop the video.
Press stop now. Do not rewind the tape. Please eject the tape at this time.
And immediately hit the home button and then just close the software. There you go. And you have successfully cleaned your Wii U. Don't worry, this was satirical. I'll repeat that again. This was actually, in fact, satirical. It won't clean your Wii U, it's just a YouTube video. Okay, peace out.